AIMAGE is getting ready for the Bullrun. They're going to upgrade the V2 AIMAGE bots that's going to include text to images, text to video, and much more. Which brings me to the chart that looks really a good time to add some more tokens for AIMAGE because partnerships is coming everywhere with Vault NU and much more in terms of partnerships. Which brings me back to the captain's spreadsheet. AIMAGE to millions, yes, it can happen. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. We're going to start at the $8 million estimated place because with this AI surge, AIMAGE is definitely going to be on the list for you to check out. Let's go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, right now, we're sitting at 464 holders with AIMAGE, $630,000 in terms of the market cap, which meaning I'm going to show you how much AIMAGE you need to hit some revenue profit areas. So we start with $8 million. If you only have 1 million AIMAGE, and if it hits these prices here, you're looking at $1,700. Not bad. But if you continue accumulating and do your research, it's not financial advice, it's entertainment purposes only. You're looking at 12,000, let's say 12,000 AIMAGE. You're looking at $21,000. That's not bad for a project that right now is at $630,000. Now let's look at the $27 million estimated market price or market cap. AIMAGE, if you got 12 million again, you're looking at $69,000. But it gets very interesting if we continue riding the AI narrative, and AIMAGE is doing a very good job with partnership, upgrading, bullish team, and a great community. So if we start hitting some of these measures, let's say you had 12 million again, 94 million, you're looking at $235,000 inside your wallet. And of course, if it continues to grow to like 190 million, you're looking at $500,000. That's around 12 to 18 million AIMAGE in your wallet. So you definitely want to check out AIMAGE. It's definitely got the opportunity to make some profit here, mainly because they are doing something with their technology of adding more things to their bot, and their partnerships is very nice. And all that can mean the captain's spreadsheet could be on fire. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'm the captain, and I just like AI projects, and I like AIMAGE as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.